Good day everyone. What's new? Well, I have something old for you. Babydoge is still flying. Other coins are dropping like flies. And it's not looking like it's going to stop anytime soon. Why? Because there's a war coming. Russia wants to invade Ukraine. And this is never good for prices. We would look into and how it might affect our beloved coin. Let's get it. Welcome to Bashbox Crypto News, your daily dose of Babydoge. If you're interested in everything around Babydoge, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Babydoge news, predictions, and prices. As you stay one step ahead of the crypto world, make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Babydoge news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to updates every time we post a new video. We would love to hear your comments at the end of the video. The price of major cryptocurrencies is slumping as the conflict between Russia and Ukraine escalates. Bitcoin fell to $36,370 on Tuesday after being as high as $44,125 a week ago, while other popular digital coins, including Ethereum, Ripple and Solana, have also tumbled recently. See, I told you. Not good. Analysts said the declines show that cryptocurrencies are a poor choice for investors seeking stability in periods of market turmoil, in contrast to traditional hedges against risk like gold and U.S. Treasury securities. Bitcoin's safe haven narrative has almost completely fallen apart as the rising possibility of military conflict and the worsening U.S.-Russia relationship puts the wider financial market in risk aversion mode. Yuya Hasegawa, a crypto market analyst for BitBank in Japan, said in a research note. The move has fueled fears of a full-blown invasion, sending global stocks sharply lower as traders' appetite for risk declines. Bitcoin is often touted by its proponents as a safe haven asset akin to gold, meaning it should offer a store of value in times of uncertainty. However, the case for Bitcoin as a sort of digital gold has broken down as more institutional investors have started to trade it, and the cryptocurrency is becoming more closely aligned with fluctuations in traditional markets like equities. So Babydoge, we know Huobi Global, right? They just listed Babydoge, and he had this to say. Du Jun, co-founder of crypto exchange Huobi, said the next Bitcoin bull market is unlikely to take place until 2024 at the earliest, when the next so-called halving event is due to take place. Following this cycle, it won't be until end of 2024 to beginning of 2025 that we can welcome next bull market on Bitcoin, Du said. Or any coin, because the coin goes the way of Bitcoin, like a sheep. But Babydoge has always shown that it had its own mind. How much are you willing to bet that Babydoge is not going to drop like other coins if a third world war happened? A lot of money for me, as I have trust in this coin and its surprising resilience. Let's move on, hoping a war does not happen, that Vladimir power-hungry Putin stands down. Nobody needs a third world war. Won't you agree? So how to trade Babydoge? It's quite important in these uncertain times. Step 1. Find a broker. To trade cryptocurrency, you want to find a broker with low trading fees. Being successful means making lots of trades, and you want to pay as little as possible by way of fees or commissions every time. Otherwise you can eat into your capital very quickly. Note that Babydoge isn't available with any brokers yet. That's normal for new, small cryptocurrencies, and they are usually added later once they become more popular. When that happens, a broker like eToro or Plus 500 is the best option. Step 2. Deposit money. You have to fund your broker account before you can use it. Most of the top platforms accept all sorts of payment options, including things like PayPal. You might have to pay more in fees to use alternative methods, however, and bank transfers or debit cards remain the easiest and cheapest ways to deposit money. Step 3. Decide how you'd like to trade. Trading cryptocurrency usually involves contracts for difference, CFDs. Each contract represents the price of a coin, and you can buy or sell them depending on which way you expect the price to go. Your profit is the difference between the price on the day you bought it compared to when you sell it. With a CFD, you never take ownership of a coin itself. Instead, it's all based on price speculation, and they're often used by short-term traders who want to open and close positions quickly. Step 4. Start trading. Beginners can practice by using a demo account provided by your broker. Look for the option to switch to a demo or virtual trading account in your settings, and you can make trades with virtual money to practice for the real thing. Whether you're using real or virtual money, the main decision you have to make is whether a coin is going to go up or down in price. That way you can decide whether to take a long, buy, or short, sell position. Lots of things should factor into this choice, like your own research and any recent news about the coin. As you get more experience, you can start to introduce more advanced methods into your trading. One of these is known as using leverage, a way of making bigger trades by borrowing money from your broker. This method can lead to the biggest wins, but it can do a lot of damage if the market moves against you. Still undecided? To help you choose whether Babydoge is right for you, here's a summary of the pros and cons of the coin. After that, there are a few more pointers about the best time to invest and the outlook for the future. Meme coins like Babydoge have been known to dramatically increase in price. It's trying to follow in the footsteps of successful joke coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And the beautiful thing is, it has learned from the mistakes of its ancestors and made itself better. So what problem does it solve? Number 1. Babydoge improves on some of the technical shortcomings of the original Dogecoin project. For one, it's far more scalable. Instead of using a proprietary blockchain, Babydoge leverages the advanced Binance Smart Chain. This strategy provides the protocol with far better scalability and improved transaction times. Babydoge approves a block of transactions every 5 seconds. For comparison, Ethereum adds a block every 13 seconds. Another problem Babydoge has done away with is inflation. Inflation is a loss of buying power in an asset. It can occur for many reasons, but is usually brought on by an influx in tokens which lowers the demand for the asset. Babydoge users avoid these concerns due to the network's hyperdeflationary setup. The total amount of Babydoge in circulation is reduced over time, which helps to drive up demand. Interestingly, the network has burned 40% of the total supply, which has also worked to bolster demand. Deflationary protocols help to improve the store of value characteristics of a currency. In this way, Babydoge seeks to empower hodlers. Another problem that Babydoge developers wanted to reduce was the chance of rug pulls. Babydoge integrates liquidity locks to ensure that a certain amount of tokens remain in the platform's liquidity pool. This approach helps to build long-term investor confidence. Security is another thing. The firm has already completed multiple third-party audits. The network passed an in-depth audit from Desert Finance. Desert Finance provides due diligence project audits for various BSC projects. That's all for today on Bashbox Crypto News. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to the doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Babydoge holder, and make quick reminder. If investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in, is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this.